Hi guys, good morning. So we're heading home. Just got off from work. Kaya lakad-lakad muna tayo. Good morning. Tangin ang ingay naman yan. Yeah, good morning. I'm heading home na. Just got off from work. And welcome to the Ghost City with this very nice motorbikes with my shades. So yeah, I'm just actually heading home. I'm actually heading to the train station in Martin Magallanes. So ayan, pauwi na talaga. And sakit ng tiyan ko kasi di ako makautot sa loob ng office. Ayan, bloated tuloy yung stomach ko. Yeah, buyers, everybody gotta go home now. And where is the man? Goodbye. Hi guys, pupulit ako sa Panday. Ari pa ako sa Makati City. Bago lang ako kapuli, bago lang ka-out sa trabaho. So malakat na naman. Pupulit na naman ko sa Caloocan City, which is 2 to 3 hours away from here. So MRT tayo at bus. So ayun, adlaw-adlaw wala na biyahe, tatlong oras, parang oras in total na day. Spy nga ako konti lang, so nakakabawi lang ako spy kapag sa rest days ko. So ayun, not really much, just ganda ng flowers dito. And look at me, diba? Ayun. And itong mga wirings na yan, sana maging ganito dun. Sana ang Manila is get like Davao na walang mga ganyan-ganyan. But see ya! Okay guys, dahil gutom tayo, duman muna tayo sa may lugaw kasi mas masarap kumain ng lugaw sa umaga, lalo na pa pag empty yung stomach natin. Let's go! So I'm heading home. So it's gonna be a cozy morning here in Philippines. So yeah, it's very handsome by the way. So yeah, bye. So heading to the subway. Show you how I look like here. Well, I just wanna see you guys and what I'm doing every morning, like after work. So I'm just getting straight here at the subway to catch the train. And of course, yeah. Oh, the train just left, so we're not actually able to catch it. So let's go, baby. Hi, here's everyone. There's not a train coming the other way around. But I'm heading to the north, and that is going to the south. See you, bitches. Right up that city. Hi.
Morning guys, this is Amigo Jake, and for today's video, magkape tayo, maggatas. Wala na naman yung store natin. Ayan, di pa kasi ako nakapag-grocery. Ayan, wala siyang laman. Wow, pati mo inumin ko lang naman. Hi guys, good morning, and this is Amigo Jake, and for today's video, nangagapangapi ko, parang gising lang, bantay sa store. Minata. And ayun, wala nang laman yung store ko. Wala talaga siyang laman. Oh, bakante na, daming bakante, walang laman. Ayan. Lana, order na si Amigo Jake nyo. Bye. So, ayan, pati yung wala naman yung store. Wala na akong mainumin. Ganyan, ano. Anong pera sa Amigo Jake nyo? Hirap maging trabahador. Diba? Hirap maging padre di pumerdia. Joke. Bye. Tapos ako, tingnan nyo. Sariling mundo. Hi guys, ito po pala yung post akong makulit. Ayan. Makulit kong pusa kahit saan saan napupunta. And ito po yung store kung wala ng laman.